Are the mysterious sounds of the ocean signaling something significant? Scientists have long tried to decode their origins, yet answers remain elusive. These enigmatic sounds have been observed for decades. Scientists began documenting them in the 1950s, igniting curiosity about their possible origins. Some sounds appear to resemble underwater communication. Submarines utilize sonar to navigate, but could these sounds serve a different purpose? The ocean is known for its symphony of sounds. From the calls of whales to the churning of waves, it creates a constantly shifting soundscape. There are various types of ocean sounds categorized by researchers. Each has distinct characteristics, from low-frequency rumbles to high-pitched calls. Some recordings are particularly puzzling, like the bloop, a powerful underwater sound detected in 1997, originating from an unknown source. Researchers utilize advanced technologies to capture these sounds, including hydrophones and underwater microphones, creating a meticulous process to study them. Patterns of certain sounds have intrigued oceanographers. The absence of clarity implies a complexity within the ocean's depths we have yet to understand. Human activities have altered the ocean's soundscape. Increased shipping and industrial noise complicate the natural acoustic environment. The increase in artificial sounds affects marine life. Animals may struggle to communicate, navigate, and find food amid the noise. Climate change drives shifts in ocean behavior, which might influence the sounds observed by researchers, making understanding even more complex. Research teams deploy listening devices across the globe, gathering data to analyze sound sources and their implications on marine habitats. Scientists agree on one thing: the ocean harbors a collective mystery. Each discovery raises more questions than answers about its secrets. Whales are remarkable communicators, using complex vocalizations. Their sounds travel immense distances, yet some seem inexplicable and beyond our understanding. Sonar technology aids researchers, but it can only capture so much. Certain sounds remain shrouded in enigma, challenging researchers to rethink their methods. Efforts continue to decode the many unknown sounds. Researchers analyze patterns, but a comprehensive explanation remains frustratingly out of reach. Interestingly, some areas have become quieter due to reduced shipping during the pandemic, allowing researchers to explore acoustic changes. Various instruments like buoys and underwater drones play crucial roles in gathering ocean sound data, expanding our understanding of its complexity. Artificial intelligence is being integrated into ocean sound research, helping to sift through massive datasets and identify patterns we might miss. Collaboration among global scientists has become essential for understanding these phenomena. Sharing data accelerates the quest to decipher the ocean's secrets. Some ocean sounds are believed to originate from ancient geological events, like underwater volcanoes and shifting tectonic plates. Monitoring the ocean's sounds enables scientists to track environmental changes and assess the health of marine ecosystems over time. Explorers delve into ocean depths, using submersibles to gather more data on unexplored areas and their unique sound profiles. Different cultures have long revered the ocean sounds in mythology, often attributing spiritual significance to mysterious sounds. Advancements in oceanographic technology, including autonomous vehicles, play a pivotal role in sound exploration, paving the way for new findings. Nature has its own ways of producing sounds. Researchers look at how marine species adapt, offering clues to understanding human noise impacts. Understanding soundscapes helps researchers assess the overall health of ocean ecosystems, revealing connections between sound levels and marine population health. The quest to unravel ocean sounds continues. Each discovery fuels the fire of curiosity, driving scientists to push the limits of exploration. Increasing public awareness about these enigmatic sounds is essential. Engaging narratives can bridge the gap between science and society. The ocean's sounds resonate across cultures, revealing a deep-rooted connection between humanity and the mysteries of the sea. Educators play a critical role in fostering curiosity about the ocean's mysteries in future generations, ensuring environmental stewardship. A sustainable approach towards ocean exploration will safeguard its mysteries while ensuring marine life thrives for generations to come. Artistic expressions inspired by ocean sounds can engage people emotionally, allowing them to connect with scientific exploration on a deeper level. The ocean embodies time. Its sounds have echoed through millennia, forming a soundtrack of history intertwined with nature's rhythm. As we deepen our understanding of ocean sounds, we honor the mysteries it holds. Our connection to the sea is vital, shaping our understanding of the world. Join us in exploring the mysteries of the ocean. Click the subscribe button to learn more about ocean research and its endless wonders. The journey has just begun. Together, we will uncover the truths hidden beneath the surface. Stay tuned for more discoveries. Support ongoing ocean research initiatives. Your contribution aids in further understanding and preserving our precious marine ecosystems. Get involved in community efforts focused on ocean conservation. Together, we can make a difference in preserving the ocean for future generations. Stay connected with ocean research communities online. Engage in discussions, share insights, and learn about the latest discoveries. Explore more about the ocean's mysteries through documentaries, articles, and podcasts available on multiple platforms. The ocean calls to all of us. Its mysteries and sounds beckon exploration and deeper understanding. Are you ready to listen? Discover the ocean's mysteries together. Share your thoughts, experiences, and findings with friends and help spread the fascination of marine life. Listen closely to the ocean's whispers. They hold stories of the past, present, and future, waiting to be uncovered. Embrace the adventure of exploring the ocean. It's a journey of discovery, mystery, and connection that shapes who we are. Thank you for watching. Your curiosity about the ocean ignites exploration. Join us next time for more remarkable discoveries.